Be ready? Start. The right to information, like any other right, is not an unlimited or unrestricted right. Stop. It is subject to statutory and constitutional limitations. Stop. Section 3 of the Act of 2005 clearly spells out that the right to information is subject to the provisions of the Act. Stop. Other provisions require that information must be held by or under the control of public authority, besides providing for specific exemptions and the fields to which the provisions of the Act do not apply. Stop. The doctrine of severability finds place in the statute in the shape of Section 10 of the Act of 2005. Stop. Neither the Act of 2002 nor the Act of 2005, under its repeal provision, repeals the Official Secrets Act 1923. Stop. The Act of 2005 only repeals the Freedom of Information Act 2002 in terms of Section 31. Stop. It was felt that under the Officials Secrets Act 1923, the entire development process had been shrouded in secrecy, and practically the public had no legal right to know as to what process had been followed in designing the policies affecting them and how the programs and schemes were being implemented. Stop. Lack of openness in the functioning of the government provided a fertile ground for growth of inefficiency and corruption in the working of the public authorities. Stop. The Act of 2005 was intended to remedy this widespread evil and provide appropriate links to the government. Stop. It was also expected to bring reforms in the environmental, economic, and health sectors, which were primarily being controlled by the government. Stop. The central and state information commissions have played a critical role in enforcing the provisions of the Act of 2005, as well as in educating the information seekers and providers about their statutory rights and obligations. Stop. Some section of experts opined that the Act of 2005 has been a useful statutory instrument in achieving the goal of providing free and effective information to the citizens as enshrined under Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the Constitution. Stop. It is true that deem of information and knowledge resources is critical for people's environmental oblique empowerment, especially to realize the entitlements as well as to augment opportunities for enhancing the options for improving the quality of life. Stop. Still of greater significance is the inclusion of privacy or certain protection in the process of disclosure under the right to information under the Act. Stop. Sometimes information ought not to be disclosed in the larger public interest. Stop. Over.